Hey everybody. Okay, so today's plan is not going as planned. I was going to take the Zero FX that I've got on loan from English Electric Greenlaning with all the cameras and everything, but as you can see, we have a summer storm of some sort coming through, which means my 360 camera will look really dingy. And where I was planning to go was the highest point around here where, well, I just hope we don't get a full charge really quickly, if you know what I mean. So, I'm going to redo this in the week when it's nice and sunny and I can really sort of explore and spend time enjoying. This is going to be the accelerated version where I just try and get through it without getting too wet. So yeah, I've got this FX on loan from English Electric to make some videos and a review on. Oh god, I wish I could see the track better. This is actually getting pretty dark now. Thank you! Well, if we're getting wet, might as well get wet, right? And someone has fly tipped down here. And what have they fly? That's asbestos, isn't it? Isn't that asbestos roofing? That corrugated stuff? Is that the license plate that's rattling that much? Is there some way of me holding on to at the same time? It seems like it is. Oh god, you should be so careful of the throttle. This thing's got so much torque. Just touch the throttle. Oh yeah, sorry. To get here, I'm trying to do some maths. So, I started today on 151. We're now at 163 with 85% of the battery remaining. Yeah, as I say, I'm going to do this as a kind of a speed run, and I'm going to explore more on a nice day when it's sunny and I can try different stuff. But there was no way that I was coming this far and then not actually, going. Do I trust the rear brake on this one? Yeah, it kind of works. Oh god. Let's try going down a bit further so I can get some flatter ground. Of course, to you, this probably looks actually flat. Trust me, it's bloody well not. No, come on. Rear brake. Oh god, the chalk's wet now. Well, it's only going to get worse, so you might as well just get down it, eh? Trail the rear. Oh my god! Yeah, hopefully these trees are offer some reasonable protection. Or not. No. It was better up there. There was another track I was planning to go up today, but if it's going to be this wet, there is no way I'm going to be able to do it, because it's just... This bike is 12 and a bit grand, and it's got less than 200 miles on the clock. I really can't break this thing. It's bad enough doing what I'm doing already. Oh god, stripping down my back! I think it might be stopping. As you can tell, it rained quite a bit, because it's now flooded in the road. I turned the camera off and just waited here for a few minutes. Oh, that was a lot of mud in the face. Hopefully it wasn't on your lens. This will be the problem though, it won't be a very great viewing if it's actually raining while I'm riding. That's why I tried to wait out the rain. I'm not really fussed about getting wet, I'm going to get wet anyway. When I knew there was a little rainstorm coming later on, this seems quite a bit bigger and a number of hours early. I can't see a lot right now because I'm steamed up, rained up, And now the gravel and the dirt and the mud that you get deposited on these roads is now dark, like the road, as will be the green algae, and you have to be really bloody careful because you're not sure which bit's slippery and which bit's not so slippery. Well, I hope you're bloody well enjoying this because I'm freezing. And if you are, please hit that like button. Or even better, support me. I know, for this sort of level of stuff, support me on Patreon. Go on. Oh, Jesus, mate. They are honestly lunatics around here. If I see a single dry piece of tarmac somewhere, I'm going to sit on it. Because it means I'll be dry. Oh, this is nasty. Why am I doing this? I am so exposed on this bit, I would really love some tree cover just for a minute. Oh my god, it's running into my boots. Oh, this bit's dry. Oh. Okay, I think waiting might have been a better idea. The whole idea of being like warm and having multiple cameras on and exploring different lanes and stopping and taking pictures and nice views, this is all I had planned. This is just suffering. For your entertainment. I really can't see a lot, but you know, aim for the middle bit, right? Oh, I'm out of the green lane. I get under the trees, it might be better. Oh yeah, check the rear brake. Okay, that didn't lock up at all. That's pretty impressive. Obviously, I've actually got medium off-road tyres. I mean, they're not off-road tyres, they're like intermediates, but it should give me a little bit more grip. Come on, I want to do this as, well, not as quick as possible, but I don't want to be in this rain as long. Ow, I can't even talk. I don't want to be in this rain as longer than I need to. Until I'm concentrating. Is that a tree across the track? It is. That snap? I guess it did snap. Go! See what I mean about the power? Do they know I'm here, or are they purposely ignoring me? Excuse me, can I just get pie? Thank you. Thank you very much. Remember what the price of this bike is. But it's good. You touch the throttle. Oh, this is actually really good fun. Even at reasonable speeds. I mean, okay, I'm only doing 20 odd, but the lammies. I'll leave them alone so they don't get out of the shelter. Oh, look at the little sheepies. Hello, little sheepies. Oh, you're cute. Look at his little face. You can't see him. Hello. You are very small. Fluffy. Reno would like you a lot. Oh, Christ! Oh. Has it stopped raining yet? No. I don't know where you're going. Really? You don't think you are? I want to watch this. Wait, wait. Wait for the brake lights. And they've stopped. Yes, mate, it's a green lane. Well, we can't see anything from up here anyway. Let's go back that way. Well, I'm going to call that mission accomplished because there is no point going to the top of Butser Hill to film anything. I had a whole plan to do something that was going to look really, really cool. And I'm not going to let you know any of the things I have planned for this video. I'm going to do it, well, other than what I've already said. Regrets. I have a few. And then again, let me list them. Leaving the house. This bloody rain. The fact there's no sun. And I'm wet again. Watch out, squirrel! What's that? Is that a green lane? No. I don't think so. London Phaser Rider on my Discord said, oh, it's raining tomorrow, and I'm like, no, it's not. And I knew he was right, but I didn't think it would be this bad, and I thought I might get lucky. I did not get lucky! I feel semi-aquatic now. I think I might spring some gills in a minute. Ow, ow, ow. How is rain sharp? I guess it's because it's cold, it's the reality of it. Is there anywhere around here that a weary traveller can try and get out of the rain for 5 minutes? I'm very interested in your cars. Oh. Okay, I'm cold. Okay, well, sit rep, we're at 174 miles, starting at 151 today, and we've got 69% of the power remaining. Giggity. But I did it. I didn't chicken out. I went bloody greenlaning. Barely see a thing, but I'm running south for the border. I mean, the plus side, in theory, this rain should wash the bike off so it won't be covered in mud by the time I get home. I also didn't get a thumbnail anywhere, but then I couldn't because I couldn't get my bloody phone out to just use the wet hands on it. It's quite a good tyre test, actually. I've been pushing these intermediates. You know, I've pushed them in dry, hot roads, wet roads like this. I mean, I'm not really pushing them, but you know, on the lanes, and they're doing great. I'm also in hot, dry roads, you can feel them slipping a little bit, but it's quite predictable levels of slippage, and it's actually quite fun levels of slippage. Oh God, save me. Oh yeah, that tree fell down. Here's a big mamma jamma. If it's actually raining on the island where I live, then screw you, Met Office, because you have not given any forecast for this whatsoever. Other people around the country got it, but I didn't. It's getting heavier. Are you kidding me? I am so done with today. Oh. Done 31 miles and we've used 55% of our battery. That includes going all the way up to almost the top of Butser Hill and back down. That is pretty damn impressive. I look forward to repeating it and going down all the routes I wanted to go in the sunshine on a nice day with multiple cameras and not water all over the lens and me moaning about the rain. But as I say, if you enjoyed it, smack the like button. Please protect me. Please support me through Patreon. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.